I gotta tell you how excited I am being here for the very first time in J Spring.
It's my first time at J Spring. I very much like it already.
One of the best conferences in the Netherlands.
Wow. Good morning, J Spring.
It's just such a nice atmosphere, a lot of really interesting and inspiring talks, a lot to learn, fun, nice community and nice atmosphere.
Yeah, the vibe is as always, just people wanting to learn, chatting about the GVM ecosystem, having fun.
But J Spring is also very special. The energy is just amazing. Amazing interactions, fantastic speakers, wonderful audience, great venue, and super good organizers.
Hey, I'm John from Chillit. We're the main sponsor for the third time in a row already. J Spring is basically our home event right now. So we like to share the knowledge. We have 2 talks, a keynote and a technical. And we're very excited to be here.
I work as a Spring Developer Advocate on the Spring team, so imagine my joy when I heard there's a conference called J Spring.
It is JFall in Spring. It is exactly what you expect from JFall, which has been coined as the best one-day conference in the world. So it is exactly the same vibes. It's exactly as cool as JFall, but in Spring.
So I hope to be back in J Spring next year. Hope to see you there as well. Thank you.